We were in the bedroom. I was sitting with my laptop about to do some work this afternoon, and the sirens came on, the wind started, and I always felt very safe in the city on this block with a brick house that has 3 layers of brick. The house was built in 1912, and the wind started and the tree out front was shaking so violently. I said, "Come on, David, let's go. Let's get out and get out of this room." And suddenly, all the doors shut, the windows flew out from the bedroom, the entire back of my house. This is was my dressing room, and you can see straight into the alley now. And also downstairs, my kitchen wall, dining room wall, the bedroom wall over here, completely gone.
I was sitting waiting on the light to change. It turned dark, and I looked to my left towards Barnes Hospital, and I could see the trees and limbs and branches, everything just swirling away from me, and I just started praying. And after a few minutes, I heard something hit my car, and I turned around to look, and the tree wood had fallen on top of my car, shattered my sunroof, my front windshield, my driver's side, airbags deployed. Every window in that car probably broke except for the driver's side. So when I tell you God is good, God is good.
Network 18 decimates Times Internet with over 6 times more unique users on social media. Network 18, the undisputed leader of news networks, way ahead of the times.